Advanced ML Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 3. Question 1. Which of the following is an example of unsupervised learning? A. K-means clustering. B. Decision trees. C. Logistic regression. D. Random forests. The correct answer is A. K-means clustering. K-means is an unsupervised learning algorithm for clustering data. Question 2. What does the term overfitting in a machine learning model refer to? A. The model performs poorly on training data. B. The model generalizes well to unseen data. C. The model performs well on training data but poorly on test data. D. The model underperforms on training data. The correct answer is C. The model performs well on training data but poorly on test data. Overfitting occurs when the model memorizes training data but fails on unseen data. Question 3. Which of the following is a characteristic of an RNN? A. It handles sequential data by maintaining internal state. B. It is used for classification tasks only. C. It requires labeled data for training. D. It uses convolutional layers for feature extraction. The correct answer is A. It handles sequential data by maintaining internal state. RNNs process sequential data by using feedback loops to maintain state. Question 4. Which of the following is an advantage of random forests? A. They are highly interpretable. B. They are less prone to overfitting than individual decision trees. C. They are very slow to train. D. They perform well on small datasets. The correct answer is B. They are less prone to overfitting than individual decision trees. Random forests combine multiple decision trees to reduce variance and overfitting. Question 5. Which of the following algorithms is used for regression tasks? A. Logistic regression. B. K-means clustering. C. Linear regression. D. Naive Bayes. The correct answer is C. Linear regression. Linear regression is used to model the relationship between dependent and independent variables. Question 6. What is the main purpose of the softmax function? A. It scales output values to the range 0, 1 for classification. B. It helps regularize the model. C. It is used for feature extraction. D. It optimizes the model's performance. The correct answer is A. It scales output values to the range 0, 1 for classification. Softmax normalizes output values to represent class probabilities in classification tasks. Question 7. Which of the following is a common use case for principal component analysis? A. Dimensionality reduction. B. Classification. C. Clustering. D. Reinforcement learning. The correct answer is A. Dimensionality reduction. PCA reduces the number of features while retaining variance, aiding in visualizations and faster computation. Question 8. What is the main advantage of using gradient boosting over random forests? A. It is faster to train. B. It reduces bias by combining multiple weak learners. C. It requires less data preprocessing. D. It works better on smaller datasets. The correct answer is B. It reduces bias by combining multiple weak learners. Gradient boosting sequentially corrects errors from previous models, improving accuracy. Question 9. Which of the following is a method to prevent overfitting in deep learning models? A. Increasing the number of layers. B. Decreasing training data. C. Using dropout layers. D. Decreasing model complexity. The correct answer is C. Using dropout layers. Dropout regularization prevents overfitting by randomly ignoring units during training. Question 10. What is the role of an activation function in neural networks? A. It decides the output of a neuron. B. It normalizes the inputs to a layer. C. It prevents overfitting. D. It reduces the learning rate. The correct answer is A. It decides the output of a neuron. Activation functions introduce nonlinearity and determine if a neuron should activate or not. Question 11. Which technique is used for reducing variance in machine learning models? A. Regularization. B. Cross-validation. C. Feature scaling. D. Bagging. The correct answer is D. Bagging. Bagging combines multiple models to reduce variance and improve stability in predictions. Question 12. Which of the following is a major challenge of training deep neural networks? A. Vanishing gradients. B. Underfitting. C. High variance. D. Insufficient data labels. The correct answer is A. Vanishing gradients. Vanishing gradients occur when gradients become too small, hindering weight updates during backpropagation. Question 13. Which of the following is a commonly used metric for classification problems? A. Mean squared error. B. Accuracy. C. Root mean squared error. D. Adjusted R-squared. The correct answer is B. Accuracy. Accuracy is a common metric for evaluating classification models by measuring correct predictions. Question 14. In reinforcement learning, what does the agent learn to maximize? A. The loss function. B. The reward signal. C. The exploration rate. D. The discount factor. The correct answer is B. The reward signal. The agent learns actions that maximize cumulative rewards in reinforcement learning. Question 15. What is batch normalization used for in deep learning? A. To normalize the weights of the model. B. To reduce the learning rate. C. To improve the convergence speed by normalizing activations. D. To prevent vanishing gradients. The correct answer is C. To improve the convergence speed by normalizing activations. Batch normalization helps stabilize learning by normalizing layer inputs, improving convergence and accuracy. Question 16. What is the purpose of the L1 regularization technique? A. It adds a penalty to large weights and reduces model complexity. B. It adds a penalty to smaller weights to improve accuracy. C. It increases training speed by reducing the feature set. D. It normalizes the model output to the range 0, 1. The correct answer is A. It adds a penalty to large weights and reduces model complexity. L1 regularization helps reduce overfitting by penalizing large weights, often leading to sparse models. Question 17. Which of the following best describes the bias-variance trade-off? A. Bias and variance always increase together. B. Bias is the error due to model simplicity, variance due to complexity. C. Reducing bias always increases variance. D. Variance is the error due to incorrect training data. The correct answer is B. Bias is the error due to model simplicity, variance due to complexity. Balancing bias and variance is key for building well-generalized models. Question 18. Which activation function is often used for output layers in binary classification tasks? A. ReLU. B. Sigmoid. C. 10H. D. Softmax. The correct answer is B. Sigmoid. Sigmoid is used to output probabilities between 0 and 1 in binary classification. Question 19. Which type of machine learning model can be used for predicting future values in time series data? A. Decision trees. B. K-nearest neighbors. C. Recurrent neural networks. D. Random forests. The correct answer is C. Recurrent neural networks. RNNs are designed to handle sequential data, like time series forecasting. Question 20. Which of the following methods is typically used for evaluating unsupervised models? A. Accuracy. B. Silhouette score. C. F1 score. D. R-squared. The correct answer is B. Silhouette score. Silhouette score measures the quality of clustering in unsupervised learning.